Tribal Travel Club.
Tribal Travel Club. Tribal Travel Club.
Tribal Travel Club. I'm loving today. Best part of the trip so far. I feel connected to what's going on with all the things that went down before me to get here to this moment. I'm super grateful.
It's been more than an amazing experience. I love the culture of this place.
So we are at the Kwame Nkrumah Museum, and my experience has been very beautiful and magical.
To be here on the ground and experience the history, see all of the relics, see all of the pieces, learn more about the Kwame Nkrumah. Yeah, it's just kind of inspiring.